What is the difference between per capita and by representation? Have you ever wondered how estates are divided among beneficiaries when someone passes away? Understanding the terms per capita and by representation can help clarify this process. These concepts are essential in estate planning and inheritance laws. Let's break them down in a simple way. First, let's talk about per capita. This term means by head. When an estate is distributed per capita, it is divided equally among all surviving beneficiaries at the same generational level. For example, if a person has 3 children and one child passes away before the estate is settled, the 2 surviving children will share the estate equally. The deceased child's share does not automatically go to their children unless they are specifically named in the will. Now, let's move on to by representation. This method is often referred to as by branch. When an estate is distributed by representation, if a beneficiary passes away, their share is passed down to their descendants. This means that the inheritance is divided according to family branches. For instance, if a child of the testator dies before the estate is settled, that child's share will be divided equally among their children. So, what are the key differences between these two methods? Per capita focuses on equal shares among living beneficiaries at the same generational level. It does not include the descendants of deceased beneficiaries unless they are named. On the other hand, by representation ensures that the descendants of a deceased beneficiary inherit their share, dividing the estate by family branches. In practical terms, choosing between per capita and by representation can significantly impact how an estate is divided. Per capita may simplify distribution by focusing only on living beneficiaries, but it can exclude grandchildren or other descendants unless they are explicitly included. By representation protects the inheritance rights of descendants, ensuring that family branches receive their fair share. When planning an estate, it is important to clearly designate beneficiaries using these terms. This helps prevent disputes and ensures that the testator's wishes are honored. Estate planners and attorneys can assist clients in selecting the method that best fits their intentions for legacy distribution and family dynamics. Understanding the difference between per capita and by representation is vital for effective estate planning. It helps ensure that the distribution of assets aligns with the wishes of the person who created the estate plan.